Tony here hanging out, and we're headed to McDonald's in Japan. I wanted to show you what McDonald's looks like. I mean, we barely go there. We went there like once, like 2 weeks ago we went. But I just wanted to show you. I was like, hey, let's show you guys the Japan McDonald's menu. So we're gonna be headed to this McDonald's here. With a little K truck in front of me. We got a Subaru 4-wheel drive. We got the Enos gas station. I was gonna say Enzo. Enos, and then we got McCafe. We got McDonald's right there. We're gonna go check that out. We got somebody on the bus right here. And things are pretty still normal here. They did a 47 province cautionary, I don't want to say shutdown, but like, you know, try not to leave your house if you don't have to. But I mean, people are out. Things are still normal here. Better than Hawaii, by the way. But we're gonna go in McDonald's and show you guys the menu here. It might be a different scene than what you guys see in America. So let's go inside. What are you getting now?
Oreo ice cream.
All right, that was it. Maya went to go grab Oreo ice cream. How is it?
Very crunchy. I never really liked it. It's so good. I like it.
God, that looks crazy. Sweet. So that was it. My Samurai Mac. It was all right. I didn't think there was gonna be bacon in it. I didn't want bacon in it. I thought it was too tasty. Too much barbecue sauce and bacon, and it's like too salty for me. But anyway, that was that. Bye bye, McDonald's. Okay, we came to a place called Sand Dune Beach because it's kind of cloudy out today, but today's pretty good weather. And this is like one of the not very nice parts. If you go down that way, you got nicer beaches down there. Here, not that great, but look, oysters. Oh, look at this. Like steps. Definitely not as nice as Hawaii, but today's a cloudy, overcast, hazy day, so let's use that as an excuse. Usually, pretty much all beaches are beautiful, but let's do something here. Back in the little K, my little N box 4-wheel drive turbo. You remember that. Hey, check it out. We got a Toyota MR2 Spider. I've always wanted one of these, but never got one. I thought they were cool looking little cars. Little mid-engine Spider. Oh look, we got some hand gliders over here. Check them out. Yeah. Apple's good. Strawberry's not bad.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hi.
welcome. So we're having some ice cream. Let's try it. We got apple on this side and we got strawberry on this side. Pretty good. I like the apple.
I like the apple.
But when you're not feeling good, feeling cold is better than feeling hot. Kind of wakes you up. Tulips. Taking a video?
Yeah.
You're taking a video the wrong way. So I wasn't feeling good because my wife was driving in the car and all of that, and just not feeling well. So have some ice cream. And tulips here. I feel better. I feel much better now. I'm not gonna lie.
Or is it because of the ice cream?
And it's cool out. The ice cream is good. The food is beautiful, beautiful food here. So I feel really, really good. Cheers. All right. So that was it for this place. Had a little bit of ice cream. Checked it out. A little car that you don't really see in America. Little Suzuki Hustler. Cute little thing.